Okay, so picture this. It's the middle of the afternoon, dinner's half cooked, you've got a call in 10 minutes, and your baby has decided the only acceptable place in the universe is your arms. Every parent knows that exact standoff. A good baby swing or bouncer can be the difference between chaos and actually getting a shower today, but the market is flooded with them, and honestly, most reviews won't tell you which ones are worth it. I've pulled together the 7 best, all linked in the description below, so let's dive in. Before we get to the products, one thing worth understanding, because it changes how you'll use every single one of these. These seats are amazing tools, but babies aren't meant to live in them. Pediatricians recommend keeping any reclined seat to short stretches, think 15 to 30 minutes at a time, so the little one gets plenty of floor time to build those neck and core muscles. And here's the big one. None of these are made for sleep. If your baby dozes off, the safe move is to move them to a firm, flat surface. Every swing on this list reclines past the safe sleep angle, so treat them as calming stations, not cribs. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get into it. First up is the Monami B2007, and this one is for the tech-forward household. It's got Bluetooth, so you can stream anything from white noise to your own playlist straight through its speaker, plus 5 swing speeds, 10 built-in lullabies, a touch panel, and a remote so you never have to cross the room. What makes it genuinely clever is the power setup. The aluminum frame works indoors on a wall adapter, but take it outside and you can run it off a standard USB power bank, which means no hunting for giant D batteries or stringing an extension cord across the patio. There's a vibration sensor that kicks the motion on automatically when the baby stirs, and a 5-point harness, which is a step up in security over the basic 3-point systems you'll see later. The plush fabric runs a little warm, so in a hot climate, you'll lean on the mesh side panels, but for a nursery that doubles as a backyard companion, it's hard to beat. Now, if your problem isn't tech but square footage being eaten alive by baby gear, the Graco Duet Connect LX takes a completely different swing at things. This is 2 products in one. A motorized swing whose seat pops off and becomes a portable floor bouncer you can carry room to room. 6 swing speeds, a multi-direction seat that lets baby face forward or rock side to side, which is a lifesaver for little ones with reflux who hate the front-to-back motion, and 15 melodies. It plugs into the wall to save you battery money on the swing itself. The frame is genuinely big, so if you've got the open plan space, it becomes your command station, but measure your doorways first. And one honest heads up that most listings gloss over. The vibration feature in the detachable seat runs on its own D battery, even when the swing is plugged in, so factor that little ongoing cost in. For a busy home where you want one device doing the work of 2 though, it's a workhorse. Third is the Ingenuity Keep Cozy 3-in-1. And this is the value champion of the whole list, full stop. Here's why I'm so high on it. Almost every bouncer becomes useless the second your baby hits 20 pounds, usually around 5 or 6 months, which makes the price per month brutal. This one holds up to 40 pounds and transforms from an infant bouncer into a toddler rocking chair. So you're looking at years of use instead of months. It folds completely flat to slide under a couch or into a trunk, the cover is machine washable, and the vibration runs on a single cheap C battery. The trade-off is that the rocking is manual, so it won't sway on its own while you're hands-free, and there's no music or Bluetooth. But if you want something simple that just works and stretches your money further than anything else here, this is the one. And here's where it gets interesting, because the next one might be the smartest buy on this entire list. The Baby Delight Alpine Deluxe is the one I'd hand a parent who cares about what's actually touching their baby's skin. It's built from 100% GOTS certified organic cotton, which means no chemical flame retardants, no synthetic finishes, naturally breathable and hypoallergenic, a real win if your little one deals with eczema or sensitive skin. The rocking here is pure kinetic energy, powered by the baby's own movement, so it's completely silent. No motor, no batteries, no hum. It folds flat into an included travel bag. Now here's the part that'll make you look twice. It delivers basically the same natural bounce and that gorgeous minimalist Scandinavian look as the big premium name brands, but at a fraction of their price. The catch is the shorter window since it caps at 20 pounds, and the recline lock can slip when you lift the empty seat to carry it. For eco-conscious parents, though, this is phenomenal value. If the Alpine is all about going natural and battery-free, this next one flips the script back toward hands-off convenience. The Larex BB6 is a low-to-the-ground electric rocker that sways side to side rather than swinging in an arc, and that low profile gives it seriously good stability against tipping. You get 5 speeds, 10 melodies, Bluetooth, and a remote. The detail I love is the reversible seat pad. plush on one side for winter, breathable mesh on the other for summer, which directly tackles that overheating issue synthetic seats are notorious for. It rides on a 3-point harness rather than 5, so there's a bit less upper body containment, and if you've got a curious toddler around, keep an eye out, because a low adjustable backrest is easy for little hands to push on. For a small apartment where a big A-frame swing would dominate the room, it's a fantastic fit right beside your desk. Speaking of small spaces, the Graco Slim Spaces compact swing was engineered for exactly that fight. This one's rare trick is height-adjustable legs, so it goes from a low floor swing all the way up to eye level, which spares your back postpartum and keeps you interacting with the baby instead of hunching over. It folds down small with a built-in carry handle, runs a real full-size swing arc, and has a 5-point harness. Here's a neat thing the photos won't show you. Extend those legs all the way, and the pendulum arc physically lengthens, giving you a deeper, smoother, much more sleep-inducing sway than the short, twitchy motion you get from most travel swings. It runs purely on 4D batteries with no wall adapter, so budget for replacements, and it keeps things audio-free. No music at all. Picture living in a studio? You extend the legs at dinner so the baby is up at the table with you, then collapse it behind the couch before bed. No cords underfoot the whole time. For a cramped apartment or an RV where floor space is gold, it's brilliant. Which brings us to the 7th one, the Jewel Baby Nova, and this is where I have to switch from reviewer to straight talker for a second. On paper, it's stunning. A sleek circular aluminum base, gentle side-to-side motion, Bluetooth, a remote, and a retractable canopy with built-in mosquito netting that makes it genuinely great for keeping bugs and curious pets off the baby out on the patio. Here's the critical part you need to know before anything else, though. This model was subject to a major CPSC recall, more than 63,000 units, because its recline angle exceeded the safe limit, and the marketing implied it was safe for unsupervised sleep, which it is not. If you're even considering this one, especially secondhand, do not buy it without confirming it has the updated seat and warning labels, or request the free repair kit directly from Jewel Baby. Handled correctly, it's a lovely outdoor seat, but that recall isn't something to gloss over when it's your baby. So let's bring it home. If you want maximum bang for your buck and years of use, the Ingenuity Keep Cozy is the runaway winner. For the most breathable, chemical-free option for sensitive skin, go Baby Delight Alpine. If you're tight on floor space, the Graco Slim Spaces folds away like a champ, while the Larex is your pick for a low, stable rocker in a tiny apartment. Want the full tech experience with Bluetooth and outdoor power? The Manami is your gadget. And for a big open-plan home that needs one device pulling double duty, the Graco Duet Connect is the command center. The Jewel Baby Nova has the looks, just make sure yours carries the corrected, recall-compliant seat. All the links are down in the description to check current prices and grab whichever one fits your life. If this helped, drop a comment letting me know which one you're leaning toward. Thanks for watching.